Alright, today on beaters and receivers, we were going to do a video, but it's raining like a mofo. So instead, we're going to go a different route. We're going to start breaking into this 460. This 460 was in my blue truck out there, but unfortunately, it ate a cam lobe. So if you come over here, we've got a brand new comp cam thumper. It's got the valve springs, timing chain. It's got all the other stuff we need. So this 460 specifically has flat tap forged pistons. It has an internally balanced crankshaft, and we're going to break into this, and hopefully we'll be able to get it to a machine shop, get everything cleaned out, because like I said, it did eat a cam lobe, so that metal definitely went through this motor. So I don't know what cam bearings or bearings in general we're going to have to replace. Probably just going to go ahead and replace them all, so we ain't got to worry about it. We're not going to cut corners. We're going to go ahead and do this motor right. So hopefully in the near future, Big Blue will just, man, it'll thump it back. Hong, 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 hong. It sounds great. Oh my God. Need a mic. Oh yeah.
Getting that oil drain.
Mm-hmm. Don't like it. Why is it doing that?
Yeah, PB. Here, look at this. You want some
Hang
PB
on.
blaster?
No.
Oh, we got that on standby.
Is that you?
No. The fuck?
That bolt in there.
Hell no. That's thick. Show that to the camera.
Well, come. Oh. Well, I can't.
Oh, look at that collar. No bueno.
Wish you had a magnet. Dad, you got a magnet? What? Actually, I'll just wait until I get the oil pan off. I don't feel nothing. I don't see shit.
Well,
I don't see shit. I don't feel shit.
let's get a gander at what we're looking at.
I don't know about you boys, but that don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. And then there's a little discoloration in here, but honestly, that's okay because it's getting full rebuild.
Let me get a bag.
Don't put too much weight on that motor.
Well, that's coming off. This I can't get to that one.
That's fine.
Ooh, bitch.
What?
That gasket, that like
Oh, it's on
seal
there.
it's got on. Ooh, bub.
Hang on.
Should these parts go in a separate bag in this bitch?
Nah, it'll be all right. I'm not really worried about that. That's not really something that's like, oh my god, dude.
Well, they are different screws. I just realized. Yeah, they're different. I'm gonna throw them in there. I'm gonna throw them back in through here.
Wow, that actually looks really good.
Here, that's where they'll be. Right back where they were.
That works perfect, actually. It's a different size, ain't it?
Yep.
Okay, hang on. I bet that's like 5/8 or something.
Other than that, we're good. We're pretty much golden.
Yeah, I thought so. Half-inch. Not too big.
Should we throw these in that same bag?
9/16.
Are you going for a whole Elderbrock build on this? Or are you going to throw some Holly on there too? Or can you even do that? Yeah, I assume you can.
What was on it before? What kind of carburetor?
I don't remember.
Holly's carburetor oriented.
This is the one you had on there, was a Holly?
No, that's, yeah, carburetor wise, yeah.
Okay. You're going to use this, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom, bitch. She's off. Get you a whiff of that. You're going to be buying so many different types of seals.
I already got them all.
Oh.
Got me a bag.
You want a couple? One for each.
I just need, I'll put those back on.
Let me get active at that.
Hold up. Should probably try and get a video of this.
It's going.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's
Well, right now,
just break it down.
we're breaking off all these lifters and getting all the push rods out.
Let's see it. I got the assembly part going. Boom.
Would you keep those? You can do the other side, faggot.
Faggot.
That's kind of, let me see this one.
Oh, me Lester.
Not that bad though.
Did you take a marker and dot where that one came off of? Like, I'll dot right here just to signify if this like dot here and a dot there.
That's pretty smart, actually.
Should have brought that Milwaukee marker right on any surface.
Probably going to wind up cleaning them all. Because all these have, if you look back here, they all have oil passages.
Okay.
So this rod will sit like this, and oil will come up through this rod.
Let's.
So I was going to go ahead and reinstall these on the head, but since, like I said, this did eat a cam lobe. So my thinking is, obviously if you know anything about motors, or maybe if you don't, I mean, I'm not an expert by any means. This will sit in here like this, and it'll actually push oil to the back of your lifter, and not only oil your valve springs, but it'll also oil your camshaft and other things. So my thinking is maybe, who knows, maybe some like metal shards got through here, so I should probably at least send some type of cleaner through it that is good for a motor, and just try and clean out everything the best I can, because like I said, I mean, this is cool and all, but I really don't want to have to go through with it again. I just want this motor to run pretty smooth, That's the goal, like hugada, 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 hugada. It'd be great. Go ahead. All right, so we went ahead and took out our head bolts. There's only 5 of them across it, I think. Hang on, let me get another gander. Watch out, Jack. Yeah. Oh, that's totally and 100% a lie. There's more. So I was wrong.
Get active. Let me get active. You catch this big ass bitch.
Hold up. Let me at least do one side, you fucking prick. And you see how I'm not going to the balls of the wall with that?
Yeah, I see.
Just be real easy.
Come out here, Sue. I don't got a fucking. Yeah, fuck it. Whatever.
Okay.
Pull it off.
You can try. Oh, okay. I'm just going to set it on the table.
Move our
Release too. Ooh.
Does this whole gasket need to come off right now?
Yeah, that doesn't need to come off.
Ooh. Oh, okay. That wasn't bad at all. All right, old
Now,
son.
listen, don't go balls of wall. Just meow, meow, meow. That's no good.
No.
Hey,
let's go ahead and break down what we've got going on here with these.
hang on. Let me.
That's what we're looking at.
This is what we found. Okay, watch out real quick. Just my bad, man. So these are nice, healthy lifters. You know what I mean? Look at those. Flat tapping. Solid. And this is what we found. It's not supposed to be like that at all. You're not supposed to be able to see through your lifter. So that's good stuff right there. You know what? If anybody needs some lifters, like new, barely used, I got a good price on them. Limited time offer. All right. As you can see, we got this down to almost bare block. I mean, you still got the water pump, your belt pulley, stuff like that, your timing. We also got the lifters in here in the camshaft, also the oil pan. But if you come over here, you can kind of see what we did. Went ahead and got off our valve covers, and we also organized and labeled everything. So when we do come back and put it back together, we're not rushing through to, look for our stuff. We got the heads off. These are Dove C heads. I think it's a 72 to 75 CC chamber, combustion chamber, for people who don't know. But yeah, got those. They're studded. You got your guide plates in there and stuff like that. Those are dual spring. We're gonna replace the springs and stuff like that. But yeah, this is how far we got, and we'll give you an update in a second of the rest of it because we're gonna keep tearing into it. Well, something just fucked on it. Oh yeah, look at there. Doesn't that look great? Ain't it awesome? So we got the oil pan off. Bring that mic in here. Yeah, let me find it. I hope that'll show up, but there's some metal in here, so I'm gonna have to guess that taking this to a machine shop is a necessary thing that we have to do. So, like I said, we're gonna keep tearing this down. Really, all we have is the camshaft and the pistons and shit like that. But obviously the crank and the oil pump. But I mean, other than that, I mean, it'd be ready to go. So. Well, with the help of our shop dog, Maria, we got the cam out. Timing cover off. As you can see, uh, cam lobe's gone. It's gone. It's not there. It's non-existent. This was a comp cam. I'm not exactly which one it was. Dad, do you happen to know which one this was? Well, anyway, that was a long time ago. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this over and get to the crankshaft and start tearing that down next. But there's a camshaft. Do a drop test on it. Do a drop test. Ready? Well, got the 460 torn down. Just need to get the pistons and the crankshaft out. So there's metal in there. There's metal in there for sure. Overheated a little bit. That's what we're getting from it. We're also gonna come over here and do a good old camshaft drop test. The durability. Doggy, move. Get out of the way. Hey, Dad, you think it'll survive? Oh, shit. Okay. Well, I thought it'd crack. All right. All right. Never mind. It's solid. Back to you in the studio. So in this clip, basically what we're trying to break down is how we got the pistons out, our mic's messed up, and in another clip I'll have to do another voiceover because, yet again, we're not professionals yet. So our microphone's messed up, so right now I'm just trying to explain that you don't really need all that fancy gizmos and gadgets that everybody on YouTube, the internet, use to get these pistons out. I was literally using a 2x4, a hammer, and a punch pin. Does it make it easier? Yes, but I understand that not everybody has those things. So we're kind of just trying to break down how we did it with a low budget and how we didn't break anything and keep everything in good shape. So you'll watch me grab the 2x4, just tap the bolts back and forth. After I get them pretty well out to where I can no longer hit the 2x4 on the bolts, I use that punch pin I have in my hand and back them back and forth, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. So I work it out and I don't get any of those bolts in a bind. Just got to be real slow and kind of finesse it a little bit. Uh, yeah. All right. So once again, our mic messed up on us. Probably forgot to charge him. Sounds like something we do. But we went ahead and got the crank out. Me and my dad are just talking over it, see what we need to do. Uh, Crank's definitely going to need to get sent into the machine shop to be able to get filed down, probably 10 under, so we can get new bearings in it and not have to worry about anything else after we go ahead and put it together because all the bearings in it are pretty chewed up. You see Jack point at my shirt and the mics are not on, so all this audio is just
Mine wasn't on. Not
stopped
anymore.
and it
Turn
came
off
on.
after a while.
And
Ready? You don't want it on that table, do you?
I mean, yeah. All right, ready? All right. As you can see, the old girl is ready to be sent to the machine shop. Her pistons, rings, not rings, but cylinders need a new, fresh honing. Um, this block also needs cam bearings. I'm also going to send in the crank, which is over here. Our crank in to go ahead and get grooves filed down a little bit. Because if you can see right here, I can catch a nail on that. So that needs. Yet again, our mics died. So this is kind of me just closing out and telling you all what I need to do with the motor. I need to get it machined, put everything back together. I'm gonna get that block cleaned, and this is kind of just the final outro to kind of sum everything up, what we did, how we got it apart, the harmonic balancer, the water pump, all that was probably a good 4 hours. Don't let this video lie to you. I know it's 20 minutes, but this did take some tedious task and a lot of just finesse and going over it, and also the help of my dad to be able to really just tear this down in a manageable time to get it ready for the machine shop.